Watch me create this Mother's Day card on my iPad using Procreate. I printed it from home and it was so simple. All you have to do is use stamps. Yes, stamps, like digital stamps. And I have several different sets that I'm going to show you how I played with. I started with my sassy stamp and erased the face that came on it. And then I've been playing around with new facial expressions to hopefully provide for you one day if you're interested. And then I started to color my mom the way I see her and add a lot of fun color to the word mom. Add her, just have a little color, some blush, of course. And then I wanted to make the back of the card just as cute as the front. And so I did a fun all over pattern using stamps. I wanted to make this card more in real time so you could see, a lot of my videos are sped up, so you could see a little bit more detail in the creating process. I'd love to do some live classes with you. I just need feedback to see if people are interested. So if you make a comment or leave me a message, just let me know. Is this something that you'd like to see more of and how to do it? Because I'm having so much fun. I can't wait to show you how. And here it is printed out in my home printer. Use my paper trimmer, and I'll give it to her on Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.